Today is the 6th of January, Thursday, 2022, 6:15 p.m. in Mr. DIY of what is the camera there? Of Tesco Ipoh Garden. It's not called Tesco anymore, it's called Lotus. So today's purchase will be some labels, so that if there's some bottles of sauces that I made, I can use this stickers onto the bottle there to write down, let's say, belacan and whatnot, or spicy sauce, put in the freezer or the fridge. So this is about, I think, 150 ringgit 50 cents. Then some of this clear tape, and of course the most expensive one, the clear tape, I think is about $3 or $5, about $3. This one here from Ezra is STO4, it's 21.90 in this shelf here. I could have bought either the 21.90, which is this one here, 21.90, or I could have bought the $5 version, which is a smaller tripod versus a bigger tripod. Small tripod, big tripod. Other things like a normal looking small tripod is $26. Is of course all metal, hopefully, and some polymer. And some of the cheap used to buy mouse from Mr. DIY. I used to buy a lot of, which one was it? This one, $7.90. I think something like this. I think Mr. DIY has a lot of these crown carry-on not wireless, wired mouse. It's very cheap, $7.90, but it's not good, because after a month the clicking will be very soft. Some of the watches here, I'm not wearing a watch because my watch is kind of like kaput. I think no battery, it resets itself to 12 p.m. all the time. I have to change the date and the time all the time. It's quite cheap, about 10 ringgit 50 cents for something like that. I should have bought my watch from here, 10 ringgit, versus the one in Genting, the free zone. That one cost $100. Stupid. Could have bought something polymerish like this one, $9. It's polymer. Of course, the one I bought from Genting, not sure what the shop is called already. That one was about $100, but it's made of metal, but it wasn't that good. Yeah. Some of the gaming mouse here is quite expensive, $45 and whatnot. I don't like to use that. I think my go-to, or what I'm using now, is a colored one, about $10, $12, $10. I don't think I see it anywhere. Oh, it might be something like this one, but colored. That means there's some color. Yeah, something about that. There's some color. Of course, I'm shooting this with my old handphone, the Oppo handphone. Strangely enough, it's 1080p full HD. Or $23 for that. So I want to put my iPhone on my little screw thing inside my Proton car. So I need something that can hold it and has a screw, and that's what this is for. Of course, I can buy the cheaper one, as I said earlier, which is $5 there. It has the same architecture, the same stuff here. So let's open this thing up, which I've already opened. I'll buy this, so it's okay. So this is the tripod. You can detach this thing here by pressing the button here, and it has a, I don't know, 1/4 screw. And what I want, I don't need a tripod, but this is big enough. I like it. It's bigger than my, it's longer than my schlong. This is the one that I want, the one with a screw, so I can screw it to my Proton car. This is very tough. Hopefully it will fit the iPhone 11. This is what I want. The screw here, and screw it into my car, and when I go to KL, at least I'm shooting with the iPhone instead of a camcorder. iPhone will last, that iPhone 256 gigabytes will last me 4 hours and a half of shooting at 4K 60 frames per second. So Yeah, 256 gigabytes is equivalent to 4.5 hours of shooting time. Yeah, in the iPhone 11. Very cool. So I'm gonna pay this. This setup here, which I want, is similar to the one that you can buy for $5, but I'm choosing to buy something that's 4 times more expensive because the tripod is, well, it's not necessary, but it's interesting. So that's all for today. Nothing much to talk about. It was raining and my socks are a bit wet. Sayonara, bye bye. At the what call one section where there's some of these phone holders. This is 9 ringgit and 40 cents, which I can put my handphone and stick it to the screen, which might be more stable than sticking to my usual camcorder thing. It's 9.40. I should maybe buy it. The problem is it very secure? Can it stick to the screen easily without any problem? 9.40 is quite cheap. 9.40 versus 21 bucks of that thing. That one of course got a tripod. This one is merely for the car. But I am able to use this to stick it to the screen and really block it, and really block the sight of the iPhone. I'm not sure. 9.40. Very tempted. And this is the configuration that I want. Put the iPhone sideways and hopefully can shoot the panorama, the front of the car, and hopefully the sticker, the suction cup is not blocking. It's worth considering. 9.40, 9.40 cents. Now I'm at the crossroads. I might not want to buy that 20 bucks tripod thing because this one, the purpose is to buy the, what you call it, that thing, this $5 variant, this clamp here with the screw. That's what I want to buy. This costs 20 bucks, whereas this one here costs 9 bucks. Car universal holder. Can put my phone. Hopefully, not sure. This one is a very low clearance. I mean, you cannot adjust it to be far away from the screen, not like this one here, which has a very long wire, but I'm not sure whether the wire will hold or not, whether it's a bit far away from the screen, so I scared it might move the, I mean, when there were bumps or vibration, what will happen to the video quality? Will it move too much? God, that I was like shooting in vertical or horizontal, whatever you call it. It's terrible. Where's the camera? Oh. So I'm not sure. This one, it's 9 bucks, and this is 9 bucks. Should I try all of them? Not sure. I have to. This one I can put it maybe near the top of the car. This one I think I have to. I'm not sure where I have to put it. I think I'll buy this one. 9 something. Yeah, it's 9.10. Try it out. See, you can put the screen here. The iPhone is long enough. Really block it. So the suction cup block the lens. Will the lens see the suction cup? That's what I'm worried about. I think I'll try this 9 ringgit and 10 cents thing. If it cannot work, then I'll try this one. 9.40. That's 18 bucks already. And I don't think I need to buy this one. This is 20 bucks. I don't need the tripod. The tripod I don't care. It's nice. It's huge, and it's got polymer, and it's nice to grip. It's better grip than the Gorilla. The Gorilla pod is like hard, and yeah, it's hard. If I want the 4 quarter screw hole and this clamp, I might as well buy the 5 bucks version of this tripod. But the tripod for the 5 bucks one is smaller than this one, very small. So I think I'll just not buy this one. I'll try out this one. Try it on my car and see whether vibration is too much or not. Yeah. So I think I'll just buy 3 of these. This one I think I'll put it back. Yeah, I think I'll try this one. Is it okay or not? I'm not sure. If I put this one, will it stick or not? Will it stick or not? Is there enough clearance from the suction cup for the lens to see? So much things to consider. I have no idea. You can rotate, right? You can rotate like so. I hope. Should be able to. It's got the ball point. Should have a ball point. It should be able to. It won't fall, right? No, it won't fall. $9. I think I'll take this out of the equation and try this one. Yeah, I just want to buy something that can make my phone not fall or vibrate too much in the car. I haven't tried sticking the iPhone 11 to the car yet. I've done videos in the car, but that's to my it's handheld. Yeah, handheld. It's not like really stuck to the car. So I'll try this one. This one maybe another time. So that's about it. Yeah, I'm gonna buy this one and try.